Next thing you know, you find you're running round in circles, and although you're sorta tired, you're not prepared to straighten out. Next thing you know,
you need a subtle change of scenery, so you pack up your belongings and you plan a different route.
And no, it doesn't mean the journey's done. It's just a chapter now has ended, and a new one has begun.
And oh, nothing's ever meant to stay. Some chances slip and go away.
which ones are left for you to say? Next thing you know,
And it isn't how you planned it, and it isn't how you dreamed. But could it be the life you never thought you'd want is even better than it seemed?
So hold on,
It's okay.
it's not the life you planned on,
But you like it anyway. Next thing you know,
you think you found the perfect person, but she feels a little different, so you start the search again. Next thing you know,
you find your perfect weekend evening isn't spent upon a bar stool, but tucked in with her by 10.
but no, that doesn't mean you got it made. It just means you found some comfort where you used to be afraid. And oh, you started frightened and perplexed, and now you're asking what comes next. Dear God, please tell me what comes next. Next thing you know,
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 next thing you know, next thing you know,
next thing you know,
next thing you know,
next thing you know,
next thing you know.
oh hey, didn't see you there.
We are the cast of Next Thing You Know, playing at the Landor Theater from May 15th to June 8th, so come on down to Clapham and check us out.
I thought you were carrying on there.
We were, Jenny.